Hi, I'm Nick Smith, and I started Dura Guard Paver Sealing shortly after completing my military service and combat deployment to Iraq in 2011. Since then, we're asked a pretty common question by most of our customers. It pretty much goes like this. Nick, we've gotten a few quotes from a few different companies. Everybody seems to be about the same ballpark. What is it that sets your company apart from everybody else that we've gotten estimates from? Well, one of the big things that we do differently, if you look behind me, you'll see our trucks. They say one service and one service only. And that's brick paver cleaning and sealing. It's on our building, it's on our cards, it's on our trucks, it's on everything. When you're hiring DuraGuard, you're hiring someone that's got more day-to-day experience every day, Monday through Friday, 52 weeks out of the year. This is all we do. We're not gonna come out, we're not gonna pressure clean your roof, we're not gonna paint your house and haul your scrap metal away, we're not gonna trim some trees for you. Brick paver cleaning and sealing is the only service we provide. Every year we do over 3 million square feet a year. Nobody has that type of experience that we bring to the table. So in the description of this video, I'm gonna post a very quick YouTube link with a short video that kind of goes through step by step all of the little things that we do differently. If you're looking to have this service done or performed at your home or business, I really encourage you to watch that short video. I promise you, it'll be worth it. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 727-218-4221. Visit us online at brickpaversealing.com.